P14.4 lenses. Okay, well, first thing you need to know is that there are two types of lens. You've got this type of lens, and you've got this type of lens. Now, one of these types of lenses is called a convex lens, one of these types of lenses is called a concave lens, and the way that I remember it is that the bit that's going in is your cave. So this one here is a concave lens, and this one here is a convex lens. And concave means diverging, and convex means converging. Diverging and converging. So if you imagine the light coming in to the top of the lens, and you imagine the light coming in here, okay, so that's your light. When it gets to this lens, it gets refracted inwards. When it gets to this lens, it gets refracted inwards, and that's known as the focal point. And you can see that these lines have been brought together. That's why it's called a converging. The distance from here to here, that is known as the focal length. Okay, that's your converging lens. Sorry, that's your convex lens. The converging lens, which is the convex lens. Concave lens is a little bit harder, but not that much harder. So if we draw our concave lens, and let's say you've got a person here that's looking at it, what they will see is, if you have light going into your concave lens, then it will go outwards like this, and if you draw a line backwards, then that is the focal point of the concave length, and that is the focal length of the concave lens from this there. Okay, so they're the two different types of lens. You need to know which one's converging, which one's diverging. You need to know what focal length is. You need to know what the principal focus is. That's the focus point. It's known as the principal focus. You need to know about magnification, but I'll come on to that later because it's easier to do with a diagram. And you need to know what a virtual image is and a real image. But again, I'll do that in a second because it's easier to do with a more in-depth diagram. Okay, so more in-depth diagrams coming up. This is how you draw your diagram for your lenses, and this is P14.5.